name of the turkey?
Jeffrey.
There you go.
A Jeffrey turkey.
So you're gonna introduce Jeffrey?
Jeffrey is over here. In there. Hello and welcome back to East West Picayune. Today we're going to learn how my mom made our Thanksgiving turkey.
This is very scientific breadcrumb.
Just pull apart bread. It can be helpful if it's stale, like if you leave your bread out overnight, but I forgot to do that. It's 1 medium white onion and 2 to 3 stalks of celery and a ton of leaves, but I didn't have a lot of leaves to chop up this morning, so I put in an extra stalk of celery. So cook the sausage until it's crumbled, until all of the pink is gone. And as soon as all the pink is gone, you take it out because you want it to stay moist. That on a bowl. Whoops. Maybe needed a bigger bowl. So a whole stick of butter goes in the vegetables. Oh, they're going in the pan.
Oh, okay.
Turn the stove back on. Sure, and the end goes. So 1 medium, a little bit more on the large side, onion, and 2 to 3 stalks of celery. 3 stalks of celery if you don't have celery leaves, and if you put in a lot of celery leaves, then it's 2 stalks of celery. And you cook this down until the vegetables are tender. The onion and the celery are tender, and you can tell they've been tender because the onion's beginning to be clear. McCormick's poultry seasoning. And I'm going to over season it because remember there's a bunch of bread and stuffing, so this is to flavor the bread just as much as the turkey. And I need to add a little pepper, the stuffing. Next part, I prefer to wash my hands and use my hands to mix because I found it works better than any spoon. But it's hot, so I'm going to start with this. If you use your hands, it still doesn't really matter because we're putting this inside a turkey and it's going to bake for 4 hours. If from the butter and the sausage there's not enough moisture, you can always add some chicken stock to help get the bread the right consistency. So once the bread looks moist enough, it starts to stick, and you can stop tossing and stuff your turkey. Still a little wet, so I'll get some paper towels to dry them off. There's a little bit of moisture left in the pocket. I'm gonna grab that out. Now you take your stuffing mixture and you stuff the inner cavity of the turkey. I found that the stuffing flavors the meat really well while it's cooking. How much skin I've got, because I gotta sew them. And that determines how much you can stuff of your stuffing in there. And this turkey's already on the smaller side, so begin sewing them up. Whatever string you use, make sure it's dark enough so that whenever the turkey is cooked, you can see exactly where the string is so you can pull it out. That way you don't eat any string. It doesn't have to be a perfect sewing job. You're just trying to keep the moisture from the meat in, which helps your stuffing stay moist. Dry stuffing doesn't taste very good. And I'm gonna sew them up.
So what? Close?
It doesn't have to be close at all. Now I'm gonna tuck the wings. And I'm gonna put as much stuffing as I can on this side. You can get quite a bit in the neck of them. I guess this is where stuffing gets its name from, because you're stuffing the turkey till it can't even fit anymore. You don't want to overpack it, but you don't want to underpack it.
Use a Goldilocks tuck.
That looks good, Betsy.
Oh, it's so good.
It's gonna be good.
And then you
All
gonna
right.
sew that one too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
It
God, I
just
hope
seals the flavor.
Is this too short?
Oh no, it'll be fine.
We're gonna call this Betsy's turkey.
Oh no. So my mom's or my grandmother's.
Well, you're doing it now.
All right, come on, Mr. Turkey. Come at you from a different way.
What to do?
Now he gets massaged with butter.
Oh, he get massaged with butter.
So envious. Turkey's getting it better than I got it.
So you don't season the outside?
All the seasoning comes from the stuffing.
Okay.
It just kind of.
I guess what I meant was salt and pepper.
Nope.
No?
This is salted butter, so.
So who wants to get massaged with butter?
Turkey does.
So what did we name him? You said?
Jeffrey.
Oh,
His
God,
name is
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. This makes his skin pretty and brown and.
My grandkids like to name the turkey. So I guess this year it's Jeffrey.
Yep. Yep. Butter the bottom first. So you can just put them in the pan.
But then you gotta let it sit too for 30 minutes, right? Before you
I'm
carve
just
it.
gonna put it.
Betsy just tented the turkey.
Yeah. It keeps
Right
the
there.
skin from burning over a certain amount of hours.
There you go.
Take it off towards the end.
So we're gonna put it in the oven. Uh-oh.
Bad Jeffrey.
Put in the oven at
You don't want to.
325 degrees. 325. For like what? 4 hours? 3.5 approximately.
Betty Crocker, a stuffed whole turkey, about 3.5 to
3.5 hours to 4 hours.
around 4 hours.
Hang on, Jeffrey's coming out. Oh, be careful.
Hot air.
Yeah, I forgot about that part.
Oh,
There you go. Jeffrey's coming out.
Jeffrey.
Introducing Jeffrey.
Woo.
Ooh, it looks so
Now,
nice and brown. Look at that.
Observe while we stab a needle into his side.
Oh no.
You gotta try
You okay, Betsy?
He needs his
Burn my
shot.
face a little bit in my haste.
So
Jeffrey,
the
it's
turkey
okay.
has to cook up to what, 180 degrees, right?
Yep.
That's what it says. This thing says he's not there yet.
What's the number?
Telling me it's 172.
I think it's done.
I think
because
it's
you're gonna
done
let it
too.
sit. How about the stuffing?
I'm trying to get him in nice in the center. Oh yeah, that's done.
Yeah, I
It
think
says
it's
done
done.
at 165, so we'll let him sit.
Yeah, because it's continued to cook actually when you let it sit,
It says let it
right?
sit for 15 minutes for optimal carving.
This is how we're gonna
I'm
What?
just gonna
strain the drippings.
so that the thick pieces don't go
Mm-hmm.
in.
This is making our gravy from the turkey. I smell it so good, Anna. Okay, so do you want me to do this? Is that what the spatula is for? Oh, get all the deliciousness.
Okay.
I hope we got all the pieces, or did we drip it in the pan?
If a few make it in, it's okay.
I guess I always put like chicken broth down there and then put some celery and, carrots and stuff. And so the dripping, I have a lot of dripping. I guess because of that. Okay, is this good?
Yeah, that's good. Two tablespoons.
2 tablespoons?
A little bit of cold water.
Okay.
You'll see. This is a half of a tablespoon.
We're gonna put 2 tablespoons of flour in it and some cold water to make it the nice, good consistency. Because right now it's kind of liquidy.
Of the flour before you pour it into the gravy.
Want
more
the
lumps.
lumps out?
Yeah, you take the
All of
lumps
the
out.
lumps out?
Pour it in. Heat him up. Mix it together. Let's wash Ooh. Maybe add just a teeny bit of water and my flour.
It's strong.
It's very strong.
Very, very strong. So it's good consistency right now. It will probably thicken some more.
I'm just gonna dilute them just a teeny bit.
If it's too much, you just add some water.
It's a very concentrated.
Can I taste some? Tastes good.
Tastes good, right? Yeah, that little bit of water helps.
So before serving, what we're gonna do? Take the dressing out before carving. Ooh.
Can I try some of that sweet tea?
It's not free for all.
You go to the right, not the left.
James Victor.
Why don't you just leave it off of the thing, Amy?
Oh this would be like you put that back.
Oh, yeah, that's not ready.
Where's the rules?
This is ready. Whoa.
They have
Brushed it with honey butter.
honey butter.
Honey butter, man.
Ew.
It sounds delicious.
Look at the drippings.
Here, Joseph.
Betsy, it's so moist. Look at that.
Tanners. Oh, that
It sounds like a German.
That is so moist, huh?
And it sounds like a German.
I know James has got something very
Look how moist Jeffrey is.
Cranberry.
The juice just dripping out of him.
Joseph, just
Good job, Betsy. Jeffrey's so moist.
Hello, thank you for watching East West Picayune. Please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to. This was how you make Thanksgiving turkey.